Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for. Your 2013 Canadian Exhibition Championship winners with 500 points. Ken Prentice, Calvin Perry. They have won $3,455. Okay, now comes the fun part of the speech. Oh, yes.
We actually started doing this tournament 5 years ago, I think, and we absolutely sucked 5 years ago. And we just kept getting better and better. We weren't perch fishermen, so we started perch fishing. We started getting better at it. Cal's uncle actually started this tournament back in the day, Dan Perry. Randy Perry. Yeah, and we've been having a lot of fun coming here, and it's a great tournament. We love it very much. And if I could just ask everybody from now on to refer to us as the ice fishing champions of 2013. Thank you. Cal caught all the fish, by the way. Cal caught all 4 big fish today, 11 of our 15 perch yesterday, so if you ain't good, get a good partner. I cooked them lunch today.